Remember to hit the like button, the subscribe button, join us over here, and your notifications so you don't miss another upload. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to everyone. So let's get into it. First brush that you will need is your foundation brush. As you can see, I'm going to be showing you a variety of brushes. This is a foundation brush. The first one was a flat top, that one was a round top, and this one is slightly with a, how do I explain that? It's tilted, as you guys can see. But all three of these are foundation brush, which I love in my kit. So one of the main brushes you will need is a foundation brush. The next brush that is important that you would need is a blending brush. As you can see, I'm showing you multiple sizes of blending brush. I have dense brushes, I have fluffy brushes, I have longer, I have shorter blending brushes. So I'm just grabbing some brushes out of my kit to show you ladies some of the brushes you will need. So number 2 is blending brushes. Very important. You don't need all of these brushes. I'm just a professional makeup artist. The next thing you will need is an angle brush. Now with the angle brush, you can use this on liners. You can use this to put on your cream products when drawing out your eyebrows, your cream liners for your eyes. And the next brush that is very important to be in your kit is a brush. How do I say it? You use this brush to blend out. And as you can see, I have multiple brands, off brands, name brands, brushes. And this you can use when putting on your concealer and you want to blend it out. So that's a blending brush in all sizes. The next brush that you will need is some sort of flat top brush or an oval brush, which you can use for multiple things. I use these brushes because they're synthetic brushes to apply cream products, to define my eyebrows when using concealers, the flat top brush or oval brush. Over a few years, honestly, I always tell my clients or any other makeup artists that I'm training, you use your brush for whatever you want. I use these for lips also. The next most important brush that you will need in your kit is definitely an eyeshadow brush. Now, I'm showing you 2 different brushes, but there's multiple styles. Then you need something like this, which is a very fluffy brush, a powder brush that you can use for blush. There's dense, there's skinny ones, big ones. I just didn't want to bring all my brushes, but later on in the video, I'm going to show you my kit and you can see. So this is a more rounder, smaller brush, which I use that one for blush and highlighter. I use a bigger one for powders. Honestly, I use it for whatever I want, but mainly that's what the industry tell you guys to use it for. Use your brushes for whatever you would like. I even use them to add shimmer to my body. One thing you have to do in this industry or as a makeup enthusiast is learn how to use your brushes for whatever fits your purpose. One of the other things, of course, is not a brush, but the Pow Pow, which is a sponge. Now, this sponge is very fluffy, but I can say throughout the years of being a makeup artist for 10 years now, it's not the original blending brush, but this Pow Pow brush on Amazon, it works just as fine. Very soft, without all that. It's not, synthetic. It blows up really nice. Anyway, that's a good sponge brush. But you can find sponge brushes everywhere. One of the main things also that I have on set with me is this MAC cleansing brush cleaner that I move on, because working on set, working on weddings, you have to keep moving on. Here go my most powerful thing, which is a 91 proof alcohol that I put, not 70%, 91. I spray this in between my clients or before I wash my brushes, and poof, everything is gone. So next I'm going to show you this. This came into my life. I don't know what makeup artist I saw on IG with this, and it is so handy dandy. So some of my brushes that I take with me are in here. I have hundreds of brushes, guys, but I divide this in 4 and I put my brushes together in this, and I take these on set, weddings, whatever. It helps me travel and keep my brushes together. Now I have extra brushes around my beauty room and also in my kit that I'm not showing out. These are some of the brushes, and they're in these little glam cup things. So all in all, I just wanted to show you this. You can get this to hold your brushes even if you're not a makeup artist. But sometimes when you're traveling, you can put like your liquids in here. You can put your brushes in here. This has made my life so much simpler. And you can zip it up to where, you know, the elements will get on your brush. This also has some sort of thing. I don't know how I would. Oh, okay. I see. I can have this sit on top of my carrying case. I have a video out. You guys should see the kit that I use when traveling on planes to my clients to do weddings. But this has made my life so much easier. So this is the brush that I've been ordering throughout the years from Amazon. Throughout the years. Also, the carrying case will be linked. Everybody, thank you for watching, and come back for Vlogmas Glamus.